Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the categories of the elasticity of supply in the topic of elasticity of supply in the subject of economics O levels. So concentrate yourself here. We are going to start now. The first category is the perfectly inelastic supply. Any change in the price has no effect on the supply. So whatever the change in the price will be, there will be no effect on the supply. And here is the graphical representation. You can see the price is raised from P1 to P2 or reduced from P2 to P1. The supply will remain same. In this case, elasticity is equal to 0. And example is the World Cup tickets or an original painting by the Rembrandt. So these are the cases. For example, the World Cup tickets are very important because the World Cup normally comes after 4 or 5 years. So whatever the price will be, the fans will be willing to purchase the tickets. So this is the case that is called perfectly inelastic supply. The next category is inelastic supply. A change in price has little effect on the supply. So concentrate, little effect on the supply. Elasticity is between 0 and 1. Example is agricultural products. A 5% increase in the price may bring a 1% increase in the supply. And here is the graphical representation. Price elasticity of supply is between 0 and 1. The next category that we are going to read is the unit elastic supply. A change in the price has a proportionate equal effect on the supply. Elasticity is equal to 1. Example is a 5% increase in the price brings a 5% increase in the supply. Note that any straight line passing through the origin will have a unit elasticity of the supply. The curve does not have to be at 45-degree angle. The proportionate changes in the quantity supplied will be equal to the proportionate changes in the price at any point on the line. So the point to be noted is any straight line that passing through the origin will have a unit elasticity of supply. And here you can see different cases are here. In all three cases, the straight line is passing through the origin. So these are having price elasticity of supply equal to 1. The next category that we are going to read is the elastic supply. Any change in the price has a greater effect on the supply. So very, very important line to be noted. Any change in price has a greater effect on the supply. Elasticity is equal to between 1 and infinity. Example is televisions, CDs, etc. A 5% increase in the price may bring a 12% increase in the quantity supplied. So this is the case. So whenever the producers see an increase in the price in these kind of the commodities, they normally supply more goods into the market. The next category is perfectly elastic supply. Any change in price will have an infinite effect on the supply. And in this case, elasticity is equal to infinity. So you can see here, infinity supply is there. The numerical value of the elasticity corresponds with one of the categories of the elasticity of supply. And here you will see a table now. So this is a short form. This is very precise form in which you can see. So, okay, numerical value of the elasticity, and this is the category of the elasticity of the supply. So if the numerical value of the elasticity is infinity, the perfectly elastic supply will be the category. If the numerical value of the elasticity is 1 and infinity, between 1 and infinity, the category will be elastic supply. If the numerical value of the elasticity is 1, the category will be unit elastic supply. If the numerical value is between 0 and 1, the category will be inelastic supply. And if the numerical value of the elasticity is 0, the category of the elasticity supply will be perfectly inelastic supply. And here is a note. As the numerical value of the elasticity moves from 0 to 1 and beyond to infinity, supply becomes more elastic. This is very, very important point to be noted. as the numerical value of the elasticity moves from 0 to 1 and beyond to infinity, supply becomes more elastic. As the numerical value of the elasticity moves from 1 to 0, so supply becomes less elastic. So this was the lecture, students. I hope so this will be much more easier and interesting for you to understand now. So read this lecture again, understand it, learn it, and make your notes. Thank you so much.